New at 6, hundreds of people took advantage of the free COVID-19 testing at the Civic Coliseum earlier today. The Knox County Health Department offered both drive-through and walk-up options. This was the first free testing event in that zip code, bringing necessary care to people who live in the area. As 10 News reporter Katie Inman explains, the health department is addressing the issue of testing inequality, making sure families have access to tests regardless of where they live.
At the Civic Coliseum, the lines for free COVID-19 testing may be gone now, but for some families in this East Knoxville zip code, this access to free testing is crucial. This line of cars and families walking up to be tested for COVID-19 in East Knoxville are doing what they can to make sure their health is in check, including the Sunzu family.
To protect their family, themselves, to know what's going on.
They moved from East Africa to East Knoxville 4 years ago. Their whole family was able to get tested for COVID-19 completely free on Saturday, which is something they weren't able to access before.
Before, our care maybe it's really hard. After taking the test, it's not really hard.
The testing site was only about 4 minutes from where they live, much more easily accessible than previous testing sites. The Knox County Health Department announced Thursday the free testing for Saturday would be near the 37915 zip code in Knoxville because there have been testing inequalities in that area.
When we looked at our data of the people we had tested, we hadn't tested anyone from that zip code. And we also looked at cases as well. So we think it's an important move. We'll continue to do that. We'll continue to use our data to help us make decisions about where we should test.
The department says they recognize the health disparities depending on where people live, their race, and even income. But this was one effort to make health care more available to those groups.
Your zip code, your income, your education, or race shouldn't affect your health, but we know it does.
Meanwhile, families have peace of mind knowing each member got a test.
Everyone needs to survive, you know.
For 10 News, I'm Katie Inman.